and you thought Iowa was all cornfields. Here we are at Big Woods Lake in Cedar Falls. What's kind of nice about it, you can kayak, fish, or just hang out by the lake, or take a stroll or bike on this recreation trail that encircles it. In fact, in the Cedar Valley, we have over 100 miles of paved bike trails and countless other soft trails. See them down there kayaking. What's nice about the trails is they connect into our urban areas. Right now we're heading to downtown Cedar Falls, but they also connect into downtown Waterloo. Thanks for joining us on this tour of the Cedar Valley. We're going to wrap things up and grab some food in one of our great restaurants.